Hello everyone, Abdullah Sawal speaking. Ready to build your agent fast with templates? You don't have to start from scratch. Just pick a real world scenario, customize the name description and instructions. Then test it instantly. It's a quick, flexible, and makes creating the right agent easier than ever. Let's do it together. Again, we will go to Microsoft 365 website, new agent. In a previous video, we used built an agent through description it. Today, we will use start your agent with templates. You can click see more, and as we can see, we have a list of ready to use agents. In this demo, I will use interview questions assistant. And as we can see, we have the name, the description. Well, the description usually is fine for me. However, I would like to change the instructions. Click on pop out instructions. And here you can change the instructions based on the environment requirements. However, if you are okay with these instructions, you can keep them. If you have internal knowledge base, you can provide it here. As example, if you have a wiki for your interview questions, you can just provide the URL for it. In this case, you can block searching from outside this wiki, so you can stop the search all websites from here. However, for now, I will keep it. And as we can see, there are so many suggested prompts. If you are okay with them, you can keep them. However, if you would like to remove any one, you can just click on Remove Suggested Prompt. Before creating this agent, you can try it to ensure that it's aligned with your requirements. You can choose Try It, and as we can see, interview question assistance with the descriptions and the prompt, the suggested prompt here. To test it, I will say, for example, I will choose this one. I can see CCNA admin. As we can see, the agent can help us now. But before generating the interview questions, he requires more information like the job description, how many interview questions, and specific templates for the interview questions. You can fill them, or if you would like to say that I'm okay with this test and everything is fine, I can right now click create. You can go to the agent directly to see the agent and to interact with this agent. I hope you find the template is useful for you. So see you next.